In today's episode of Chemistry Made Simple, we ask the question, why does a carbon atom build up 4 bonds at maximum? First of all, we have a look into the periodic table of elements with hydrogen and helium in the first period. A hydrogen atom consists of a positively charged proton in the core and a negatively charged electron in the electron sphere. Positive charge and negative charge neutralize each other. This hydrogen atom is therefore, of course, electronically neutral. This single unpaired electron is highly reactive and it's called a radicalic electron. Let's have a look at helium. There we have an additional proton in the core plus 2 neutrons. The 2 positively charged protons in the core need for neutralization 2 electrons in the sphere around the helium. These electrons are so-called paired in one orbital, some kind of living room around the helium for those electrons. This helium is electronically neutral. It has no radical electrons. Its electron sphere is completely filled. Therefore, helium can be regarded as rather satisfied. It's unreactive and it's a so-called noble gas. Also, neon is a noble gas, but it has 8 more protons in the core. Therefore, it needs 8 plus 2, overall 10 electrons. 2 are in the inner sphere, 8 electrons in the outer sphere, which is also completely filled, and those 8 electrons are all paired in 4 electron pairs. Again, no unpaired electron, electronically neutral, complete unreactive. To get to a less reactive state as in the radical state, hydrogen has, for instance, the opportunity to react with a second hydrogen atom, forming a hydrogen molecule. From this hydrogen, from the point of view of this hydrogen, it has 2 electrons. That means it has noble gas configuration, and the same is the case from the point of view of the other hydrogen. So, such a hydrogen molecule is rather unreactive compared, of course, to a hydrogen radical. Carbon has 4 radical, a carbon atom has 4 radical electrons in its outer sphere. To achieve noble gas configuration, in this case it's the configuration of neon, it needs to form 4 bonds, for instance 2 hydrogen atoms, and with these 4 hydrogen atoms bonded symmetrically around that carbon, we have fulfilled the noble gas configuration for this carbon, since it has 1, 2, 3, 4 electron pairs in its outer sphere. Thanks for listening. See you at the next.